Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. In our previous video, we are taking question from exercise 2.2. The next question is question number 7. Find. In B part of this question says that 5 by 8 of these numbers. We already know this. If any question in which given the term of, the first part is 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. First of all, we will convert the mixed fraction number to improper fraction number. So we will multiply these number and then add this. So 5 by 8 of 6 into 3, then add 5 upon 6. 5 by 8 of 6 into 3, 18, 18 plus 5, 23 upon 6. Then the of will remove by multiply sign. 5 by 8 multiply 23 upon 6. Now when we multiplying, the numerator and denominator will be multiplied separately. 5 into 23, 15, and 10 plus 1 11. 8 into 6, 48. This is our final answer. You can change this number into mixed fraction number when we divide 48 in 115. This is our 2 times. 2 times is 96. When we subtracting, we get 19. So 2 times can divide, remainder is 19, divisor is 48. This is our final answer. Second part of this question says that 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. First of all, mixed fraction number change into improper fraction number. So 3 into 9, then plus 2 divide by 3. 5 by 8 of 3 into 9, 27 plus 2, 29. 29 by 3. Then the of will remove by multiply sign. 5 by 8 into 29 by 3. When we multiply these number, numerator and denominator will multiply separately. So 29 into 5, 5 into 9, 45, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, divide by 8 into 3, 24. This is our a fraction number. We can change into a mixed fraction number by dividing 24. Dividing by 24 into 145. In this division, we get 6 times. 6 into 4, 24, 6 into 2, 12, 12 and 4, 12 and 2, 14. Remainder is 1. 6 times complete division, remainder is 1, divisor is 24. This is our final answer. So student, our question is find 5 by 8 of these number. First of all, this number is a mixed fraction number. We will change into a improper fraction number by multiplying these numbers and then add 5. Multiply 6 into 3, then plus 5, divisor is 6. The answer is 6 into 3, 18 plus 5, 23, divided by 6. Then of will be replaced by multiply sign. By multiplication we get numerator and denominator multiplication separately. 5 into 23 get 115, 8 into 6 get 48. We can change into a mixed fraction number by dividing. 48 dividing 115 2 times 96, remainder is 19. This is less number, we cannot divide again. So the complete division 2 times, remainder is 19 and divisor is 48. Second part, 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3, 3 into 9 plus 2, 3 into 9 plus 2 divide by 3, 3 into 9 27 plus 2 29. Then we replace of by multiplication sign. When we multiply numerator and denominator separately, by numerator and by denominator, we can convert this number into a mixed fraction number. 24 will divide 145 6 times, 6 into 24 6 into 4 24, 6 into 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, remainder is 1. We get 6 times divide, remainder is 1, divisor is 24. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed remaining water. Question number first. How much water did Vidya drink? Vidya drink 2 by 5 of the water. How many water? Water is 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water is equal to 2 by 5 of how many water? Water is 5 liter. Replace of by multiplication sign. This is multiplication sign. When we cut 5 and 5, the remainder is 2. 2 liters. Vidya consumed 2 liter water. 2 liters water Vidya drink. In second part, what fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Pratap consumed the remaining water. Here I draw a water bottle. Which having 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 by 5 part. 2 by 5 part. Who consume? Vidya consume. 2 by 5 part Vidya consume. Remaining water consumed by Pratap. So 1, 2, 3. There are 3 parts out of 5 parts. There are 3 parts out of 5 parts consumed by Pratap. So friction number is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of the total quantity of water Pratap drink. 3 by 5 parts of the total quantity of water Pratap drink. So let beginning from the question. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. Total 5 liters of water in the bottle. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. Question number first. How much water did Vidya drink? Vidya drank 2 by 5 of the water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. How many water? 5 liters. 5 liters. Water is 5. Then the of will be changed by multiplication. 5 and 5 can cut 2 liters. So 2 liter water Vidya drink. In next question, what fraction of total quantity water did Pratap drink? Pratap consumed remaining water. Whose remaining? Vidya's remaining. Here is a water bottle. Vidya consumed 2 by 5. 2 out of 5 part. I draw a bottle in 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 parts. Vidya consumed out of 5 2 parts 1 and 2. There are 2 by 5 which consumed by Vidya. Remaining by Pratap 1, 2, 3. Remaining is 1, 2, 3. Here Vidya drink 2 parts. Here Vidya drinks 2 parts. The remaining is 1, 2, 3. 3 parts out of 5 parts. 3 upon 5 Pratap drink. So 3 by 5 parts of total quantity of water Pratap drinks. So you can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next exercise. So student, now we are taking exercise 2.3. Question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd are multiplication question which are we already taken in exercise 2.2. So this question can do yourself. Now I am taking question number 4, which is greater. Question number 1st, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. These are two numbers. Which one is greater? First of all, we will find a complete fraction number. There are 2 parts in the question. So first of all, the of will change by multiplication. This is multiplication. In multiplication, numerator and denominator will multiply separately. So 2 into 3, 6, 7 into 4, 28. We can cut these number by 2. Dividing by 2. When we divide by 2, this is 3. When divided by 2, this is 14. This is our first number. Second number, 3 by 5 of will change by multiply 5 by 8. In multiplication, 3 into 5, 15, and we can cut this number. 5 and 5 can cut. So 3 upon 8. There are two numbers. In these, question is which is greater? The greater number having these number having numerator part equal and by denominator part we give direct answer of this. 1 and 2, which one is greater? 2 is greater. 1 and half, which one is greater? 1 is greater. In this, denominator part is 1. Now I am taking 2 and 3. Which one is greater? 3 is greater. Now 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. There is numerator is equal, denominator are different. So which one is greater? This is over 0.5. This is over 0.33. Which one is greater? 0.5 is greater. So 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. When denominator part increase, the digit will be decrease. When denominator part increase, the digit will be decrease. In this question, denominator is 1 and 2, numerator is equal. Denominator part increase, the digit will be decrease. When numerator are equal and denominator will increase, then digit or number fraction number when denominator will increase, then digit will decrease. So 3 by 14, 3 by 8, numerator is equal. Okay, numerator is equal, denominator will increase. This is greater number, 14 is greater number, then digit will decrease. So this digit is less. So digit is less. 3 by 14 is less. Find which is greater. Greater is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is greater. Greater is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Hence 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Now we are taking another question. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 5. Sally plants 4 spelling in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent spellings is 3 by 4 meter. The question says that Sally plants 4 spellings 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row. The distance between 2 is 3 by 4. The distance between them is 3 by 4 of every. These are the distance. Find the distance between first and last. This is our first and this is our last. So distance between first and last is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Distance between first and last spellings is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. The 4, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 by 4. We can convert into a mixed fraction number. 4 dividing 9, 2 times 8, remainder is 1, divided by 4. The final answer is 2, 1 by 4 meter. Take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours. 3 by 4 hours every day. She read the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Let's assume you read 2 hours in one day. In second day 2 hour, third 2 hour, fourth 2 hour, fifth 2 hour, and sixth 2 hour. These are 6 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. How many hours did you read? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2 is equal to 12 hours. Directly I can say that 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 hours per day, total 6 days. 2 hours per day, total 6 days. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 is repeat in 6 times, so 2 into 6 is equal to 12. But in question there are 3 by 4 hours and 6 days, so we will multiply these numbers. Let in this question Lipika reads a book 1 by 3 hours in a day. In 6 days, Lipika reads a book is equal to 6 into 1, 3 by 4 hours. First of all, we will change into a mixed fraction number to a fraction number. 6 upon 1. 6 is integer number, so 6 upon 1 is a fraction number. Then 4 into 1 plus 3, 4 into 1 plus 3 upon 4. 6 upon 1 into 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 4. Answer is 6 into 7, 42 upon 4. We can cut by 2, 22 upon 2, and now fraction number 10, 1 by 2. You can divide in rough copy, you will get 10 1/2 hours. This is for read full book. So our next question is question number 7. A car runs 60 km using 1 liter of petrol. In 1 liter, distance traveling is 16 km. In 2 liter, 2 into 16, 32 km. In 1 liter petrol, we can travel a distance of 16 km, then 2 liter petrol. In 1 liter petrol, 16 km, and another 16 km. This is 1 liter and 1 liter, 2 liter, 16 plus 16, 32, and we can say that 2 into 16 is equal to 32. When 3 liter petrol, there is 3 liter, another 16 km, 16, 16, 16, 48 km, and we can say that 3 into 16, 48. 3 into 16, 48 km distance can travel. But here not 3 liter, here is 2 3/4 liters of petrol. So attending in this question, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. In 1 liter of petrol, car can travel distance is 16 km. In 2 3/4 liter of petrol, car can travel distance of 2 3/4 multiply by 16. In this is a mixed fraction number, we can convert into a fraction number. 4 into 2, then plus 3 divide by 4 into 16 is a integer number, we can divide by 1 to changing into a fraction number. So this is 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 into 16 upon 1. We can cut 4 and 16 by 4 times. So 11 into 4 is equal to 44 km. Car can travel 44 km by this petrol. So taking beginning from question number 6, Lipika read a book for 1 3/4 hour every day. When it read 6 days, so total hours will be multiplication of this. So entire book can read by 6 into 1 3/4 hours. You can change this mixed fraction number into a fraction number. 4 into 1 then plus 3, 4 into 1 then plus 3, 4 plus 3 7, 7/4. This is 6 and this is 7/4. 6 into 7, 42, 1 into 4, 4. You can cut these number by 2. By dividing 2 we get 21, by dividing by 2 we get 2. When 2 divide 21, this is 1 time 2, 0, another digit is 1. We cannot divide 1, remainder is 1. Next digit, there are no any next digit, so the dividation is complete. There are 10 times full dividation, remainder is 1, again we can divide by 2, then this is 10 1/2 hours. This is our answer. In question number 7, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will be covered using 2 3/4 liters of petrol? In our answer, in 1 liter of petrol, car can travel distance of 16 km given in question. In 1 liter, distance is 16 km. In 2/3 liter, there is multiplication of 2 3/4 into 16. We will change into a fraction number 4 into 2 then plus 3, 4 into 2 then plus 3, divide by 4 and this is 16. 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3 11. Then first digit is 11/4, second digit is 16. We can cut these number 4 times. 11 into 4 14. 14 km is our final answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our last question in this exercise, question number 8. First, provide the number in the box such that the multiplication of two number is equal to 10/30. This is a fraction number, this is a fraction number. So in the box there will be a fraction number. First of all, there is a fraction number. So in multiplication of fraction number, we know that the numerator will multiply and denominator will multiply separately. So for this number we will multiply 2 to get 10. 2 into 5 will get 10. 2 into 5 will get 10. So in the box there is first digit is 5 and 3 will multiply with any number to get 30. We will multiply by 10. 3 into 10 is 30. So number is 5/10. In the box, second question, the simplest form of the number obtained in the box. In the box we will obtain 5/10. But simplest form, in the simplest form we can say that if any common factor is present here, then we can cut these number. In numerator and denominator we saw that there is divisor of 5 is present. So we will divide by 5 one time and 2 time. Divide by 5. So simplest form is 1/2. Provide the number in the box such that 3/5 multiply any number to get 24/75. This is a fraction number, this is a fraction number. So in the box there will be a fraction number. In the fraction number we know that numerator and denominator will multiply separately to get the answer. So 3 multiply with box will get 24. How many? 8. 3 into 8 is 24. So here one is 8. Another 5 into box is equal to 75. 15 5 75. So the number is 8/15. The simplest form of the number obtained in box is 8 by 15. There were no common factor in this number, so we cannot divide any more of this fraction number. So student, in our next class we will move to our next exercise. Take a screenshot of this. Thank you for watching this video.